I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode, we are unboxing my new workstation and I'm super excited kasi nga ang tagal namin naghahanap ng stock. Kasi napunta na kami sa kung ano-anong store only to find out, like today randomly. Today is Monday, no?
Yeah.
Okay, today randomly, my sister went into a mall here in Fairview. Pagdating niya dun sa store, tinanong niya lang, meron po ba kayong Imac? So, ayan, Imac nga. And then sabi niya, yes ma'am, last piece. Tapos pink. And that was exactly what I was looking for. Nakailang store kami, guys. Pero, finally, we got it on a random day, diba? So, thank you! So, let's unbox it together today. Sino ba yung isa kong phone? Because we're also gonna unbox on TikTok. Just in case, you can also follow me. That's Vanya _ on TikTok for more TikTok content. So, let's go!
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our
So,
dreams.
kaya ako bumili, nag-decide. Because I've been like checking on the reviews online. And I was torn between setting up my own desktop, kasi desktop na gaming yung dun sa husband ko. Parang nainggit ako kasi mabilis siya. But, ayun nga. Like, most of the people I talked to suggested, since multitasking nga yung kailangan.
Waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Careful daw. Okay. Whew. Box 1 is done. And it's finally here. Shocks, I'm so scared. Wait lang. Dapat later pa ako mag-unbox. But, yung pangit pala ng hair ko. Pero hindi na natin maulit yung video. So, yun na, sobrang excited ako and sobrang naranaw ko dito. So, let's do it! Okay. Live unboxing din sa...
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected.
Okay, so... Shocks, I'm gonna attach na lang the things that yung mga nire-record ko dito for TikTok. Lalagay ko na lang dyan as insert para makikita niya yung video. But yun nga, M1 is perfect for those people who are multitaskers. Ako sobrang sabay-sabay kasi. Kaya, shocks. Wait.
My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present instead of giving me presents. You're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page tonight, we can stay. And why don't you?
And I don't know how to unbox. Wait, I'm so scared. Wait lang. Do I like pull it lang? It says kasi pull lang eh. Oh yeah.
What do you wanna do? Kunin mo yan. Move, ako.
Wait. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, guys?
Go baby. Eto na to.
Huwag mo yan.
Yeah.
Tapos nabagsak ko na. Move.
Thank you.
Yung laptop mo kaya.
Wait lang. Don't muna ako kasi. Wait lang. Ah, sige. Close mo na yung laptop. Yay.
Cause when you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me, we don't need a translation.
Okay, so that's the monitor. If you know me, I'm such a sucker for pink things. And nung lumabas talaga yung advertisement na to. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng pink. This is the keyboard. And then, of course, the connectors are here.
Yung mouse.
Mouse is also here. And it's pink then. Shocks. Wait lang. Oh, okay. Yung bottom lang pala yung pink. But it's so cute.
Do I remove this na? Ito?
No.
Huwag muna.
Wait lang. Baka mag-emails pa ako. So, yun. That's it. I'll set it up first. Tapos, tsaka tayo chumika later. Pag na-try ko na. Thanks! We can end that na.
It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see.
Okay, here's my temporary setup. So far, after like 6 days of using it, sobrang fast niya and I'm super happy with it. Like this one can render. I'll try to take a video while this one's rendering. But the other vlog that I edited, the one before this one, it only rendered for around 10 minutes. So imagine mo, sobrang layo. not showing them myself. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you are like me and you're working with a lot of projects all at the same time, I do suggest you also get one. But it's not available now in stores, so sign up for the wait list. Siguro by before December naman, meron na ulit na stocks. Yun lang. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!